Hello, my name is Aster Topolski, and I am a mixed media artist with a main focus in acrylic painting. I am currently based in New York. This first painting is a large painting of a horse with a fly mask on its face. These masks are often used on horses to cover their faces to protect them from flies, but from afar this mask looks like a torture device or something harming the horse. This next painting largely has to do with dogfighting and using animals for profit. The color gold is the color of extravagance, wealth, riches, and excess. In this painting of two dogs fighting, one of them is bleeding the color gold to represent that. Even when not literally tied down, weight of expectation or environment can make it feel that way. I like to use rope in some of my paintings because it is made from a natural substance, and that natural substance is recreated into something to use for control. In this painting, the elephant foot is about to step on nails. This is both a play on the phrase stepping on eggshells, and it is about the circus industry mistreating animals with power and control in ways that may seem small but are very impactful. This painting is about the Amazon rainforest fires. In ancient legends, storks are known to be responsible for bringing babies to new parents. In current age, people use animals for their benefit in every way possible. If storks really did deliver babies, what else would people start trying to use them for? Amazon Prime? Drones? That is the concept I'm representing with the questionable box tied to the bird deck. This is a three-piece collection. Tigers, apes, and cows are just a few of the animals used today to fulfill our own desires, wants, and needs, such as poaching, cosmetic and medical animal testing, and slaughtering. These animals also hold the status of being worshipped by many religious groups from around the world. These animals are depicted with halos above their heads, which are often used in many religions to indicate a holy and/or sacred figure. As a child, I've always looked at roads and highways as a destructive, dangerous path between what isn't ours and what we make ours. In this painting, there's a deer laying dead with the city skyline behind it to represent that. The collage of words are placed where blood would be dripping from the deer. For this painting, I am representing how industries overwork animals and use them, and often look at them as more of a machine than an animal. I appreciate your time and I appreciate you viewing my work. I hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions or comments. Thank you. Have a nice day.